Signs that your bird was imperial. You will know if your bird is imperial with these signs. 1. He sneaks secretly, though he looks like Queen cockatiel with a red dot on his cheeks. He flies like a bird trooper. 2. He's been practicing to control a lifesaver, using any lengthy object he can carry. He thinks he's a star walker, but his size is a master Huda. 3. He has a strong attachment to a cassette, thinking it was a spaceship he once maneuvered, a cockpit, he thinks. 4. He might seem silent, but he observes. Finds the right timing for an attack. He's always defensive, protective, and detests traitors and intruders. You wouldn't like it if he's angry. His moves are always calculated. He could get mad as this.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.
5. He knows this kind of spy and assassin moves. Getting on top of the roofs or heights. He's been trained and tented for secret missions, and has a warrior spirit like Goldie Bird Cruz. Six. Strong beak punches. General inspections about any foreign items. 7. Stays calm only if he's with a trusted companion. Trusts whoever was at his back. 8. He speaks alien language. His hobby is observing his surroundings. Checks the area. Listens. If it's safe, he then can relax. Like a sleep a little crocodile. Nine. He always stays in his cage, or shall I say perceived spacecraft.
Meet Coco and friends. Meet Coco and friends. Meet Coco and friends, me Coco and friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe here at Coco the Cockatiel's channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates.